here we are back again. Let's see how far we can go this time. Oh boy. She tried to shovel. See if I can get out there. Well, I got her sneakers on. Oh. Oh. And she shovel over here. Oh. Fallen. Can't even walk. Like I'm drunk. He shoveled out of space. It's like a sandstorm. That's just the snow blowing. It ain't snowing, the sun's coming out. Whoa! How am I gonna get my car out? That looks good. There's your obligatory chairs and saving your parking space job. Hands are falling off. See if I can get back in the house. Wow. Okay. I made it.